Double Josh. All right, let's get going. This is break 724. One box of 2017 Panini Spectra football. There's a seal here, huh? I didn't see the seal. Alright, I have 4 packs of 4. 3 of them should have 3 hits. Get you a hit, huh? Let's see, what team you looking at? Packers, huh? You probably wanted a big hit. I don't know if the Packers have that many quality rookies this year. Let's see some veterans in this box. Alright, pack 1. Good luck, everybody. I don't know why I just pulled a new penny sleeve out. First card is a base card for the Raiders. DeAndre Washington. Number 9 out of 50. DeAndre Washington belongs to Aaron Lacasse. Next one out is a nice looking patch of D.D. Westbrook. Rising rookie for the Jaguars. The 2-color patch on the left. It's a shiny patch on the right. 6 out of 15 on Westbrook. For the Jaguars, that goes to Jacob T. Rinke. It's a cool looking card. What's up, Jared? Next up is a dual relic. This one, Corey Davis for the Titans and DeAndre Hopkins for the Houston Texans. This Rivals dual relic is going to come down between Jared Beasley and Tyler Morlock. Numbered out of 199, we're going to have a virtual coin flip when we are finished. Last card of the first pack is Kenneth Dixon, Retired Athletes patch autograph for the Baltimore Ravens, numbered 15 out of 99. Kenneth Dixon belongs to Leslie Allen Westbrook. Good looking card. Alright, pack number 2. First card is Ben Roethlisberger for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Roethlisberger here, number 10 out of 99. No, 70 out of 99. For the Steelers, going to Virginia Carpenter. Too late on the purchase there. I didn't see it going down. So I would have held up if I'd have known. Robert Kelly is next, a die cut for the Washington Redskins. Robert Kelly, number 10 out of 20. And he's going to Aaron Lacasse. Our next hit is Amara Darboh for the Seattle Seahawks. Immense Materials. That one going to Greg Flew and is numbered out of 199. Amara Darboh. Ooh, we got a big one. can't even see the autograph. Dual color RPA Deshaun Watson for the Houston Texans. Autograph here. Very light green ink. Almost hard to see. That's kind of a poor choice of marker. Nonetheless, a big hit. Deshaun Watson here is numbered 48 out of 50. And he is headed to Tyler Morlock. Gotcha, Sean. Very nice hit, Tyler. It is autographed. I'm seeing that the camera's having trouble picking that one up. Alright, halfway through. Let's go for pack number 3 for the Patriots. James White. Number 23 out of 25. James White is going to Sean Turtleman Shear. And for the Patriots, Catalyst Relic, Rob Gronkowski. And that one also going to Sean Turtleman Shear. Rob Gronkowski numbered out of 199. And we have a dual relic for the Los Angeles Rams, synced Jared Goff, Cooper Kupp. That one numbered out of 199. And is going to Nick Bong. Nice hit, Nick. Really? I haven't seen this name in forever. For the Tennessee Titans, illustrious legends, Javon Curse. The Freak. Javon Curse goes to Jared Beasley. And he is numbered out of 99. Alright, one more pack left. I'm out of top loaders. Alright, last 4 cards coming. We got a redemption on the bottom. Let's hope that's a good sign. For the Packers, Ty Montgomery. Ty Montgomery numbered to 99. Headed to Josh Carpenter. Well, not a hit, but Spectra's got some nice base cards. Next up is a relic of Troy Aikman. For the Cowboys, this Catalyst relic numbered out of 199. And is headed to Jacob T. Rinke. You guys are wanting a hint? I didn't see who the redemption was. Amara Darboh for the Seahawks again. This one, dual relic rising rookie. Going to Greg Flew. Greg's asking for back-to-back hits here. He wants the redemption. Darboh here, numbered to 99 on the dual relic. Alright, the redemption. Rookie autographs, neon orange. What's neon orange numbered to? That's right. We're going for more suspense here. Oh my. Don't do that. Sorry, I typed on the number pad. That's my hotkey. so hard to do with one hand. Card number 171. I'm going to do all this and it's going to be a nobody, isn't it? Maybe this wasn't a good idea. Rookie autographs, neon orange. Neon orange is numbered out of 5. I thought that sounded low numbered. Numbered out of 5 is Donnell Pumphrey. Yeah, I did it, didn't I? I did too much hype. Donald Pumphrey, though, the jury's still out on him. He's for the Philadelphia Eagles. This hit is going to Sean Haggerty. Nice hit, Sean. What's up, Shannon? Sorry, it is numbered out of 5, so that kind of made me want to look. All right, guys, that was it for this box of Spectra. I've got a few more on hand. We got the National Treasures Collegiate posted. I am doing some things around the house, but if we do get that one filled, we might get another Spectra up. Yeah, there's still seven spots left on Collegiate. Let's cycle through this break real quick. Oh, random. Rivals dual relic. On top is the Titans. On the bottom is the Texans. Let's bring you guys over to the desktop. The hotkeys. Dice roller. Card determined order. I roll for 4 or more. I've got 4. So we're coin flipping these two teams 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Good luck. 4. After 4 times, the Texans are on the top and are going to increase their winnings this break. Tyler Morlock. Nice break, Tyler. You got the big hit, and then you get this bonus dual relic here. Let me write that down before I forget. Dual 724 is the break number. All right, the dual relic was Corey Davis, DeAndre Hopkins, the Donnell Pumphrey rookie autograph out of 5. Redemption for the Eagles. Armara Darboh, Seahawks dual relic. Troy Aikman relic for the Cowboys. Ty Montgomery base. Illustrious Legends. Javon Curse the Freak for the Titans. Jared Goff and Cooper Kupp dual relic. Rob Gronkowski relic for the Patriots. James White base card. Deshaun Watson hit of the break. RPA numbered out of 50 for the Texans. Armara Darboh had 2 hits. This is another one. Another relic immense materials. Die cut Robert Kelly for the Redskins. Patch autograph Kenneth Dixon for the Ravens. Ben Roethlisberger base. And a dual relic D.D. Westbrook. The nice relics on that one for the Jaguars. It just says player worn material. DeAndre Washington was the first base card. That was it for Spectra. I'll have more of those the next few days. You guys have a good evening, or I'll see you soon.